If you're watching this video, then you're probably trying to decide whether to buy the Techwoven case or not. Well, I bought it in blue to pair with the silver iPhone 17 Pro, and here are my first impressions. I had no idea what to expect with this case, as I've never seen or held one before, and I've never tried the ill-fated fine woven case either. When I got it out of the box, I was surprised by the feel and texture. I don't know why, but I was expecting something that had a fabric-like texture, but instead it feels a lot harder. It's a difficult one to describe. It feels like it could be quite durable in the long run. The Apple logo is embossed into the case, and it's not in the same position as the logo on the back of the phone. It's not a big deal to me though, but I know this might annoy some people. The side rails have a different texture which actually feels softer and quite grippy. It completely covers the bottom of the phone, unlike the clear case, and has the usual holes for the charger and speaker. This year, some cases have the extra holes in the corners for the lanyard style strap. This is not something I'd be interested in though. On the inside you have the usual MagSafe ring, and it feels slightly softer than the outside, but not as soft as the inside of the silicone case. When the case is on, the buttons are nice and clicky, and this is what it looks like when paired with the silver iPhone 17 Pro. And I think it looks really smart. I like the feel of it in the hand, and it doesn't add too much bulk to the phone. The lip around the camera bump appears to be ever so slightly higher to protect the cameras, which is good when you have it down on a table like this. One good thing about having a large horizontal camera bump this year is that it pretty much gets rid of the camera wobbles when you want to use it on the table. Overall, my first impressions are that I really like it, and it pairs well with the silver iPhone 17 Pro. It'll be interesting to see how it holds up over the long term. And here's what it looks like in different lighting scenarios.